Hey guys, it's the first trading day of the week. Ayala Land is rushing, pushing, and breaking out again. What's happening to the stock? What should you do if you own it? Where is it headed? Check this video out. Join us at Icon 2019, Iloilo, at the Iloilo Convention Center. It's happening this August 17, 2019. So if you are there, you have friends there, you have relatives there, I hope to see you guys and I hope you get to learn because we really want to spread not just financial literacy, but it's time for wealth in the Philippines to spread. It's time that Filipinos take advantage of our economy. So see you all there. So surprise, 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 Ali has broken out once again. If you look at it from the past few videos that I created or the past Facebook posts also that I created, Ali broke out from a resistance level, from the 53 peso resistance level over the past few days. The thing about that though is this, after the breakout, it did not hold and it started to go down and start to consolidate. Today, as of the opening, Ali is up and it's breaking out. As what I've mentioned in the previous videos, the goal of a breakout is to establish whether the previous resistance is now the new support, that there's a significant level of buying that will cause the stock to go up. So, based on that, if the 52.5, 53 peso level solidifies as legit support levels, the next target price for Ali for the short term will be at 55.5 pesos per share. Here's the thing, should it go to 55.5 from an investment standpoint, Ali is still pretty much undervalued. You have to remember this. Ali's growth and their earnings is amazing. Over the past 5 years, they have expanded and they have grown massively. Ali is one of the few companies that has doubled its income, not in the millions or not in the multi-millions, but they've doubled it in the billions. So when you see companies that do well like that, that's something that's very, 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 very amazing. So from an investment standpoint, even at 55.5, should it hit that and you are an investor, do not sell yet. The only sell signal at 55.5 is for quick traders. Please remember that. If you are a position trader, Ali, from a position trading standpoint, from a trend standpoint, is still pretty much bullish. So the goal is this. If you're a position trader, I'll update you should a reversal actually happen. Because if the reversal is not yet there, your goal is to maximize it. Your goal is to hold on to your positions as you wait for the stock to push higher and push higher and push higher. Because a good company with the trend that's going up, that's undervalued, that's growing, will do very, 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 very well over a stretch period of time. So, to summarize everything, if you're an investor at 52.5, Ali has still a very, very large upside still, even for the year. If your timeline is just for the year, for 2019, Ali is pretty much undervalued. From a quick trading standpoint, breakout, target price is 55.5. From a position trading standpoint, the stock is now in an uptrend. Maximize your position, do not sell. So the name of the game still hasn't changed. Everything you need to know is around the technicals and fundamental analysis. You don't need to guess, you don't need to speculate, but it's a good time to be an investor in Ali. And please remember this, if you are a startup investor, you don't have any experience yet. For me, Ali is one of the best entry-level stocks that you can buy because of its good growth, because of its good brand, because of its good management. That I really believe this. There will be corrections, there will be dips, there will be drops, but you cannot go wrong when you buy Ali. It's an amazing company and I've created so many videos about it on how good the company is. And I hope this video helps you and it helps educate you on how you could make the right decisions on investing in the market. Because at the end of the day, I really believe that the stock market is one of the greatest investments out there. And I hope that you get to be part of this as well. So that's it for now. This video is for Investment Conference 2019 in Iloilo. I hope to see you there this August 17, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo from Bonifacio Global City. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.